Dear students, today we will do the revision from lesson number 11 and the portion is solve the equation. How to solve the equation? Here I written some extra questions. So we have to solve all these questions in our notebook. These all sums from lesson number 11. These all are related to lesson number 11. So first of all, I start over here, and if you have to write all the questions and answers in your notebook only. So how we will solve? So our first question, that is 2m minus 5 equal to minus 1. m minus 5 equal to minus 1. So as I previously informed, this is our variable and this is our coefficient. So the part with variable always write in the left side of the equal sign, and rest all the numbers we always bring it right side of the equal sign. So apply this rule. We have to write over here 2m equal to minus 1 already having in right side. So write first minus 1, and this minus 5 when cross the equal sign it always change its sign. So minus 5 come over here plus 5. Next line 2m equal to, according to our rules of algebraic rules, that is plus minus, always do the minus. So 5 minus 1 it is 4, and for the sign it is always come the bigger number sign. Here 5 is the bigger number, so the sign is plus 4. Now what is the value of m? This sign is called sign of therefore. Left side of the left hand side always we have to apply this sign of therefore. M equal to 4 divided by 2, because 2m here the relation is multiplication, and when cross the equal sign it change its sign, that is multiply, come over it divide. Then 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. So the value of m equal to 2. It is our answer. Question number 2. 2x minus 13 equal to 3. So solve this way. 2x, 3 write as it is, and minus 13 come this here. So here it is plus 13. Now 2x equal to 13 plus 3. It is 16. Now the value of x, 16 upon 2. So the value of x equal to 8. 8 is the answer. Come for question number 3. Question number 3 is 2x plus 1 equal to 5. We have to solve this way. 2x equal to 5 as it is, plus 1, come over here minus 1. Then 2x equal to 4. Then value of x equal to 4 upon 2. So x equal to 2. It is our answer. Next, question number 4. That is m upon 4 equal to 3. Number 4. M upon 4 equal to 3. So whenever one side not having any denominator, we have to put over here 1. Now do the multiplication crosswise. So m into 1, that is m, and 4 into 3. So the value of m, 12. Question number 5. See, the question number 5 is x plus 7 equal to 17. X plus 7 equal to 17. So solve this way. X equal to 17 as it is, plus 7 come over here, minus 7. So x equal to 10. This is answer. Question number 6. Five y equal to 16. 5y equal to 16. Then y equal to 16 divided by 5. Number 7. 3x plus 2 equal to 17. 3x plus 2 equal to 17. 3x plus 2 equal to 17. Now 3x equal to 17 as it is. Plus 2 come over here, that is minus 2. Then 3x equal to 15. X equal to 15 upon 3. So x equal to 5 answer, because 3 5s are 15. Question number 8. 4p equal to 24. 4p equal to 24. So now p equal to 24 divided by 4. P equal to 4 6 are 24. 6 is the answer. Number 9. M plus 3 equal to 11. Now m equal to 11 minus 3. M equal to m equal to 8. Question number 10. $30s plus 10 equal to 100. $30s plus 10 equal to 100. Now 30s equal to 100 plus 10 come over here, that is minus 10. Now 30s equal to 90. 100 minus 10. S equal to 90 upon 30. 33s are 90. So S equal to 3. S equal to 3. Question number 11. 4 minus q equal to 100. 4 minus q equal to 100. Now here it is minus q. Before q minus sign is there. So minus q equal to 100 minus 4. So minus q equal to 96. or Q equal to minus 96. Question number 12. (2a plus 5 equal to 70). So write over here 2a plus 5 equal to 70. Now 2a equal to 70 minus 5. Then 2a equal to 65. A equal to 65 divided by 2. Here the answer will come in point. So let it be up to 65 upon 2. Question number 13. M plus 3 equal to 3. M plus 3 equal to 3. So M equal to 3 as it is, plus 3 come over here minus 3. So the value of M is 0. Value of M is 0.